Step 1. Optical sensor calibration.
Adjust the height and spacing of the left optical sensor. Standard. The indicator light illuminates when the cap passes, with a gap reserved above the cap. Avoid two irregular situations: the cylinder scratches or catches the cap. The cylinder is lifted too high, causing the light to stay off.
Step 2. Pre-install corresponding gaskets.
Dedicated gaskets with different cap specifications. Complete installation before commissioning. Unscrew here. The gasket can be removed. Backward gasket needs to change also. You can find different gaskets in the toolbox, and each type of gasket matches a corresponding bottle cap.
Step 3. Calibrate screw rod centering.
Operation. Move the screw rod backwards and the guardrail forward simultaneously, adjusting by the 4 screws below the machine. Purpose: ensure the bottle stays centered during conveying to avoid deviation.
Step 4. Belt bottle holding position.
Loosen the 4 screws at the front and the 4 screws at the rear of the machine. Standard 70 type bottle. The belt clamps the part below the bottle knob protrusion. '80 type bottle. The belt position reserves a gap for capping. Standard 9110 type bottle. The belt clamps the middle, the knob protrusion of the bottle. Finally, adjust the width of the green bottle holding belt to ensure the bottles do not wobble.
Step 5. Adjust the cap feeding track width.
Unscrewing the screws to adjust the green blet makes the bottle place inside. Manually place bottle inside. Start to adjust the width of the track. Bottle goes to this position. Operation. Rotate the knobs on both sides of the track to adjust the width. Use a new cap as a reference, and reserve a 1 to mm gap matching the cap width, but also ensure the cap won't fall from the track. Standard caps can slide smoothly up and down in the track without falling.
Step 6. Adjust feeding track vertical height.
Operation. Fine-tune the vertical position of the track according to the bottle height, assisted by demonstration images for calibration. Standard bottles smoothly hang caps during conveying. Prioritize hanging above the cap clasp to avoid hanging below.
Step 7. Adjust the height of rotation rubber parts.
Pay attention. Adjust this step only after setting the lid hanging height and width once the previous steps are done. Adjust those to screws. Ensure the cap hangs on the bottle correctly. First, adjust this screw. When passing this area, make sure the lid stays above the clasp. A magnet at this position will secure the lid in place. A reverse rotation rubber part is located at the rear. As the bottle passes this area, it will be pushed back as shown, which in turn pushes the latch on the bottle cap backwards. Therefore, we must ensure the lid is positioned above the first latch for reverse rotation. Second, adjust this screw. This part functions as pre-rotation. It slightly pre-threads the lid into the first latch. Adjust the height here to ensure the lid is slightly engaged with the latch. This is roughly the correct height.
Step 8. Debugging machine.
Screw the back for screws. And the capping machine height adjustment is already completed. Place a bottle here. Click Manual Debugging, Conveyor On plus Bottle Clamp Conveyor On. Enable Manual Debugging. Check if it meets the lid hanging and lid screwing requirements. If so, proceed to the next step.
Step 9. Adjust lower cap guide rail width.
Adjust these for screws to ensure that the bottle caps can pass through, but do not make them too loose. After that, adjust the width of the track. Operation: loosen the 4 fixing screws at the rear of the guide rail. Adjust left or right or inward or outward. Set to the rearmost position for large caps. Purpose: adapt to different cap specifications to ensure smooth cap feeding. This is the belt switch. And this is the time relay. This is the proximity switch for full cap detection. When it detects proximity, that is, the full cap signal light will illuminate. The time relay will then activate a delay, and when the delay reaches the set time, the belt conveyor will stop. If you think this delay time is too short, you can adjust the preset time here. The currently set unit is 0.01 seconds. This is for adjusting the belt speed faster or slower. The pressure is based on the standards that you can kick off the inverted caps.
Step 10. Adjust the width of the cap sorter.
The 4 positions need to adjust based on the cap dimension. For different caps, set it so inverted caps trigger a signal and get blown away, while upright ones don't know signal, so they stay. It needs to adjust the height of this. 2 ways to adjust. 1. Adjust the screw. 2. Place the round metal washer at the very bottom. Ensure upright caps here have no signal. Have signal here. These 5 screws need to be adjusted based on caps. Ensure they go smoothly and don't have the overlapping caps. For example, this thin cap, you need to screw a lot. Thick cap, you need to ensure it can pass smoothly. This 4 screw adjustment for the width of the track. This 2 screw adjustment for the thickness of the track. Ensure the caps don't stack on top of each other when falling naturally.